adenexal masses. Friends, I'm Dr. Vivek Chinsula. I'm working at Vasant Prabha Hospital since last 20 years. I performed more than 10,000 operations of laparoscopies. This type of patients we get here. This is the rural area, and most of the 90% patients which I have operated are on adenexal masses only. So types of adenexal masses, we get non-functional cyst, post-hysterectomy Orion cyst, chronic ectopic endometriotic cyst, dermoid cyst, serous cyst adenomas, mucinous cyst adenomas, para-Orion cyst, hydrosalpinx, and tuberculosis. So the basic diagnostic test we do is the clinical examination, on which we do per abdominal PV examination, then ultrasound, CT scan, and CA-125. CA-125 I do in each and every cases of any adenexal mass size exceeding more than 5 centimeters. If it's more than 35 international units, then it is significant. So operative procedures we do in laparoscopy is like cystectomy, salpingo-oophorectomy, and salpingectomy. Pre-operative investigation, all these are the routine, and these are very simple, all routine blood investigations, CA-125, DT, CT, platelet, thyroid, UHG, abdomen, pelvis, X-ray chest, ECGs, and physician opinions for fitness. So patient is admitted 1 day prior to her procedure. TT is given, junction while betadine vaginal wash is given, 2 tablets of Dulcolax and 2 tablets of Gas-X we give, and patient is kept NBM after 10 p.m. So all the patients are induced under general anesthesia. Lithotomy position is given, bladder is catheterized, uterine manipulator is inserted. Port placement preferably is umbilical. If it is a cystic mass and if it is more than 24 weeks also, we can aspirate through the umbilicus and reduce the size of cyst. Then supraumbilical port, Palmer's point, 2 ipsilateral ports for manipulation, 1 on right corner lateral port at mid-spino-umbilical line. This is the efficient team what we do in our operation theater with the HD camera. These are all, I always keep 4 sets of bipolar on the table. Nick of entry through umbilicus, creating pneumoperitoneum. Pressure is maintained initially at 15 mmHg, then we reduce up to 12 mm. So this is the first video of gangrenous Orion cyst. This was tested 40 years old female, we see here. Totally it was gangrenous, and it was not needed that the ovary could have been preserved there. So we do untwisting, visualizing the left ovary at the same time. What we are scared about the adenexal mass is that whether it can be done through laparoscope or not. So believe me, whatever the size of the adenexal masses, we can deliver it through colpotomy. This is my 90% of the adenexal masses I delivered through colpotomy incisions. This we are coagulating it, IPL ligament, always give contraction, keep the adenexal mass in the center, use the peritoneal space for operating, so that there are least chances of damaging the ureters or any bowel or adenexal other structures. Confirm the coagulation properly, see whether there are any bleeders from the IPL ligament. Now I am going to show you how we do the colpotomy. A small pack is kept and just pushed through the posterior vaginal wall, and with the monopolar current I am giving a transverse incision over the posterior vaginal wall. It should not exceed the uterosacral. You have to be very careful, and taking the 12 mm of alligator, you can cut into through pieces through abdominally only with the help of scissors, and just pulling the gangrenous mass through the vagina. This is the easiest way and very economical also. And I have operated more than 300-400 cases like this, but I have not found any patient complaining of dyspareunia or any sexual dysfunctions. So next case is enucleation of Orion cyst. This was a case of a dermoid. Why it is not playing? Size in 80 years old female. She had atrophic uterus and large mass up to zipisternum. It was a simple cyst, so I planned to do it through the Palmer's point. Play नहीं होते. So in this case also, you just puncture the cyst with the trocar and aspirate all the fluid. So decompression occurs. After that, coagulate and delivered through the 20 mm port. You no need to do colpotomy for simple cyst. You can deliver it through the 10 or 20 mm of port. This was post-hysterectomy endometriotic ovarian mass, but it's not playing. Oh, I don't know why it's not playing. Also, in ectopic also, you can directly play with, you can insert a 10 mm, 12 mm trocar through the ipsilateral port, 10 mm for the scope and 10 mm for the suction and evacuation. In ectopic, there are a lot of clots, you see, and it is very difficult to aspirate through 5 mm cannula. So I always prefer to use 10 mm suction cannula and 10 mm suction silicone pipe for suction. So that is easy and you get speeder procedure. So retrieval, I already taught laparoscopic through 20 mm or vaginal through POD by doing colpotomy. Then post-operative care is NBM patient is kept NBM for 2 hours, IV antibiotics, analgesics, liquids are started after 12 hours, soft diet. Patient is discharged on second post-operative day. I never discharge patient within 24 hours. Cosmetically, it is always better. See the scars, laparoscopic scar are always better. Patient is also happy. They walk immediately after procedures, and the hospital stay is also less economical for them as well as us. Complications are relatively, they are like during lateral port bleeding, if you injure the inferior epigastric artery, hematoma, that can be tackled well. During coagulation, cutting of the ligament. Then the post-operative is like paralytic ileus, distension of abdomen, vomiting, which can be taken care. Precautions to be taken during adenexectomy will be, patience is very important from starting to the end of procedure. You should always maintain patience. Always while coagulating the pedicles, always you are aware that you are coagulating the pedicle, but always ask your assistant to keep the watch whether you are touching the bipolar to any adjacent structure like bowel, bladder. You should be very careful and ask your assistant to follow us. Always keep in mind that you are alone and have to tackle any problem alone. Always stay close to the uterus. Always think of the good outcome. I have always this image while I am doing the laparoscopy. See, ureterus as a snake, bowel as a lion, bladder as a tiger, uterus as a tortoise. So I always prefer to stay close to the uterus rather than close to these structures. So conclusion is appropriate case selection, patient and surgical team preparation, recognition of the learning phase, and knowledge of laparoscopic equipments. So what Swami Vivekananda told is, all power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I told you, if it is solid, you cannot remove through solid masses. I am talking about only solid. Cystic can be removed through 20 mm or 10 mm port.
20 mm you are using?
I have 20 mm for electronic morcellation. I have 20 mm port also. Yeah, if it is quite big, then you can remove it.
Okay. Otherwise, you what?
If the walls of the ovaries are thick, then you need 20 mm.
Simple thing is what what I usually do, that lateral port I pass up to that 5 mm. I pass the hysteroscope.
Yes.
And this 10 mm primary port, we remove the mass.
That also we do in topic and appendix also. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.